Real quick before the video starts, I want to give a huge shout out to Africa Gaming. Huge thank you for the graphics, and I hope you guys do enjoy the video.
Give me every time.
What's going on, guys? I'm Jacob.
And I'm Jordan.
And we're seeing what's inside an Xbox 360.
So, we opened up the disc tray, which we thought was the hard drive.
Those were
I'm assuming this is the Xbox One Slim because, well, you know, 360's the white one.
Big and bulky.
Yeah. So we pretty much opened it inside and tore apart everything. Like, here's the motherboard. There's the processor that's inside it, the fan and the Xbox.
Whoa.
And actually, this is why a lot of the Xboxes got red ringed, because they crammed everything in there so much. And then he got the tray that he ripped off and threw over here. He's still messing with it. Who's this, idiot? Here. He's still messing with the dish tray. I couldn't get the fan piece off because, well, I don't want to necessarily break it. But
Do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, but I can't get it because of the metal right here. Because if you look, oh shit. Anyways, like if you look, the metal is bending.
What's this?
So it didn't work. I couldn't bend it with a screwdriver. Because I couldn't bend it with a screwdriver. So, I mean, I really don't know what else to talk about because clearly this thing is not going to work anymore. There's no, I mean, all the ports are still. Well, that fell. Anyway, I mean, it could potentially work.
No, it can't.
I'm talking about like turn on and show picture. Quit stabbing it, you moron. Because all the ports are still back here, like, accessible.
Where'd that go?
Clearly the casing's gone.
There it is.
What? What do you think? Like, I kind of want to get the LED off.
Get the LED.
I wonder, or the LED case. Oh, wow. So, what is it, just the case? Like, how do you see, like, you can't even see, like, where the you can't even see, like, where the LEDs are on the thing. I mean, look, it was like this. Like, perfectly placed, just like that, and now, you know, I mean, it doesn't really look that great. Here are the two front USB ports.
Duh.
There's the AV cord, if you didn't have an HDMI TV. There's the IDR radar, Ethernet cable, and I think 4 USBs, or that's the plug-in for the Kinect, actually. Then there's the power cable, a bunch of warnings that you shouldn't take
This apart.
Yeah, you shouldn't really do a lot.
Clearly didn't listen to.
I think this is the hard drive, actually. I mean,
Take it apart.
oh my god. God. Pull that apart. Pull it by the cords. Come on. No, don't stab it, kid. Alright.
Did that work?
Pull it. And I'm going to lift it from here.
This is gonna hit me in the face.
Oh! Oh, no. Alright, anyways. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the hard drive.
Stop it! That's my thing.
I mean, there's the fan. For this console, it's pretty dusty.
It's old. It's a 360.
Yeah.
What do you expect?
I mean, 360s, I still have one.
So do I.
I don't even know what these are for. But yeah, guys, that's what's inside of an Xbox
There's still
360. No, there's really not. You want to take that apart?
Clearly I do.
Ow, you cut my finger open, dude.
That's gonna break. Where's this?
Dude, can you get it out?
I mean, I have to bend the case. Hold up. Let's take this off. That'll break if I bend that. You're cool. What is this?
That's that was the casing for the, ow.
There's parts all over here.
Yeah. I mean, we just...
Ow, I just stabbed
Give me a
myself.
screwdriver. I'm gonna see if I can take this off. I think we've bent 2 screwdrivers. Holy crap. Oh.
Oh, that. Well, I got this off. Whatever this is.
I don't think they designed this thing to come apart.
They
I don't think they designed this to come apart. Because I bent this so far forward. You could hear the crunching. Here, try to pull it apart now. Let's do that.
It's just connected right there.
Yeah, but how do you unconnect it? Because the rest
You
of
break
it. Yeah. You want to break it?
Never mind. That
Here.
you don't break it. Hold on. Flip it upside down. Oh, you got it.
But, I mean...
Hold on. There's wires.
Yeah, of course there's wires. Really?
Tried.
Yeah.
Hey, here's where this thing goes in.
Cutting the wires. So it's not connected anymore. I think I cut myself actually. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much what's inside of an Xbox 360, the Slim Edition. I would assume that the bulky or like white or black one, it would be the same, but yeah. That's what's inside of the Xbox 360 Slim. We will see you in the next one. I'm Jordan.
I'm Jacob.
Yeah.